back to do another car install. It is on, you know, my fog lights. I did a video on placing my headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and turn your wheel sideways so you can get under the fender, open up the fender. Oh, Lord. Now you gotta peel up one of these grommets. Hopefully it don't break because I don't got no any more grommets. But I'm gonna just show doing this side only, since you know they're both the same, pretty much, if I can get up in here. Go ahead and press pause. What's up, JJLEE Squad, man? I'm back, and as you can see, I'm messed up. I'm on the other side of the car, and 4 pin strips later, I finally see you gotta reach in and do a freaking challenge. Get up in there, untwist it, and pull it out. I'm finna go get some more freaking pin strips in a minute from AutoZone or somewhere, but make sure not to touch your hands on these because that'll make them die fast. So we about to reach in here, not touching nothing. We're gonna put it in the hole right here. You gotta make sure you twist it right. Make sure it's in there all the way. Twist. This is, I'm never turning your fog lights again. Never. Not even in there, right? Hold up. This is what I had to go through, man. Okay. Go ahead and get a close up in there, you know. See that in there, y'all? This is what I got to deal with. I broke like 2 grommets, as you see already. It's deep in there. So I gotta try to twist it right so it can snap in there so it won't fall off. Oh shoot. They go in a certain way, so you gotta try to feel around the bulb to make sure they're in there right. Bam. Got it. Put the plug back on there. Got it. Ah, shit. Look at that, y'all. You have the right tools, man. I was using this, that's why I broke them. I didn't have no clip to take this off, so let me go ahead and show my face. I gotta direct where the camera gonna go, y'all. Oh, shoot. As you can see, bam, messed up fender clips. I'm finna go get some more. This is my old headlight. I'll do another video at night to show you where the headlight is, but go ahead and get a picture. Like I said, you gotta position the wheel all the way so you can fit in there, as you can see right here. It's pretty loose still. I gotta go buy, like I said, more fender clips. Look at my fingers, man. Whipped up. But hey, man, it's nothing like doing stuff to your own car. But that's what it looks like right now. There you go. I did buy some tint also for this right here. Faded those out, but there go the fog lights right there. Crystal blue or clear white. Oh lordy. In the car, cause I'm finna go run to AutoZone real quick and freaking get some more rivets, cause I don't want nothing messing up the fog lights or nothing. So you know, I'm gonna go ahead, go buy some stuff, get that done, and I'll show y'all a clip at night whenever you know, it gets at dark. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Sorry about this process. I had my sister filming for me. I did get a new camera in. It was about like $45. And let me tell you, the quality is horrible. You can't even see my face when I zoom in up close. So I'm probably just gonna give that camera away or throw it away. Or whoever wants to start a channel using the camera, y'all can, I just give it away. If y'all want this camera, comment, like, tell me what do you like about my car, and I try to give y'all that camera, man. I don't even want it. It's horrible. So maybe y'all want it. But anyway, remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like this hard process of installing new fog light bulbs. Anyway, I will catch y'all later. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and just thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned because more things are coming. I'm doing more things. I'm trying to do more things myself. There's more reaction videos coming too. I know I've been sorry on that, and I already got gameplay videos set up too, so don't worry. I'm not just posting car videos all the time. You know, I do like to show my Challenger, but you know, I do have other content on my channel. So I hope y'all like it. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, and just share the video, man. Stay blessed. And like I said, if y'all want this goddamn camera, well, not this one, this is my phone, but if y'all want that camera, just comment, like, and say what's your favorite part of the video. But anyway, I will catch y'all later. I'm finna run the AutoZone and fix this shiz up right. And I will catch y'all later. And remember, always get the right tools. It will be so much easier. Alright, see y'all later.